To keep Roomba running at peak performance, perform a few simple maintenance tasks regularly, including emptying the bin and cleaning the filter, brushes, front caster wheel, bin full sensors, and cliff sensors. Bin emptying and filter cleaning should be done after every cleaning cycle. To empty the bin, press the button and hold it down. Pull out the bin and empty it into the trash. Remove the filter and clean it. Filters should be replaced every 2 months. On models 770 and above, the bin full indicator will light up to let you know when the bin needs to be emptied. Inspect Roomba's brushes after every run. To clean them, remove the brush guard by lifting both yellow tabs. Then remove the brushes. Use the included cleaning tool to easily remove hair by pulling the tool over the brush. Also, be sure to clean the brush bearings. After cleaning, reassemble the brushes, making sure the bearings are in place, and put the brushes back into the robot. Running the Roomba without the bearings may permanently damage the unit. If bearings become misplaced or damaged, contact iRobot Customer Care for replacement bearings. To clean Roomba's front caster wheel, pull firmly on it to remove it from the robot. Get rid of any debris inside the wheel cavity. Remove the front caster wheel from its housing and push firmly on the axle to remove it from the wheel. Clear any hair wrapped around the axle. Then wipe the wheel clean. Reinstall the wheel into its housing and place the module back into the robot. To clean Roomba's cliff sensors, wipe each of the openings with a clean, dry cloth. Clean the bin full sensors in the same way. Follow these simple maintenance procedures regularly to ensure maximum performance from your Roomba.